I-A-O-O-O-O-O, I-A-O-O-O, I-A-O-O-O. I-A-O-O-O-O-O, I-A-O-O-O-O-O, I-A-O-O-O. I-A-O-O-O-O-O, I-A-O-O-O-O-O, I-A-O-O-O. We are pleading high council of 7, and we are pleased to offer you our words of wisdom. Now, we don't mean to alarm any of you by making you aware that there are beings who do not have your highest interest in heart or in mind as they attach themselves to you. They are, in fact, feeding off of the energy that is produced by your fear, by your worry, by your anxiety, by your sadness, by your anger, by your guilt. Anything that is of a lower frequency attracts these beings. Also traumas, physical and emotional. So if you've experienced a physical trauma and you still feel the effects of that physical trauma years later, there's a chance that you still have one of these energetic entities, one of these negative entities attached to your field or even attached to your physical body. And we are here now to help you remove those entities. So the very first thing that we want you to do is to release any fear that you have about the fact that these beings exist and that you have at least one attached to you. Now that you know that they exist, or now that you know that they exist in your reality, it's all right for you to feel whatever you're feeling about that. Just process that fear now by breathing into it, letting it get as big and as bad and as scary as it can get. And as you do, the fear eventually subsides, dissipates, and you come to a calm and clear place. When you come to that place, it's time for you to access some of your power. So we are going to invite you to focus on your solar plexus chakra now, to breathe into that chakra. That gives you your sense of identity, your sense of power, your will. And as you breathe into that solar plexus chakra, feel yourself getting stronger and stronger. Feel your energy growing and glowing. Feel your confidence building. Feel yourself as ready to take charge of your own sovereign energy field, your own sovereign body. Be ready to acknowledge that this is your space. All right, and now we want you to say directly to these entities what we are about to say to you. So just repeat after us. You do not belong here. You are not welcome here. I am no longer your host. Please go now. You do not belong here. You are not welcome here. I am no longer your host. Please go now. You do not belong here. You are not welcome here. I am no longer your host. Please go now. And now breathe some love and light into your body. Breathe some love and light into your field. Feel yourself lighting up. Feel your energy filling up all of your space and all of your energy field. Filling the gaps left behind by these negative entities. Sending them away with love, knowing they are on their own journeys and that you no longer need to be a part of their journey. Repeat after us. I am a sovereign being. I hereby take complete command of my space, my energy field, and my body. They belong to me and me alone. And now breathe in the certainty and the knowing of what you have just said. Know that your words and your intentions are powerful. And know that these beings cannot come back without some sort of invitation. And if you feel that you have an entity attached to you, even after doing this process with us, then repeat the process. Repeat it with a stronger intention. And now we are going to have you tone with us to seal in your own sovereign space. So take a deep breath in. And again, a deep breath in. And again, a deep breath in. You have taken over your physical and your energetic bodies. They are your sovereign space. We are the Pleiadian High Council of 7, and we are very fond of all of you. That is all.